Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into soft glam beauty and makeup. This look is perfect for boosting your confidence. Soft glam enhances your natural features, creating a radiant glow. Let's get started. First, skincare. This is the foundation. Use a gentle cleanser, then a hydrating serum to plump the skin. Moisturize based on your skin type. For soft glam, we want that dewy look. Finally, apply primer for a smooth base and to help makeup last. Next, the base. Soft glam is about a natural complexion. Opt for tinted moisturizer or light coverage foundation. Apply with a damp sponge for a seamless finish. Use concealer only where needed to cover blemishes or dark circles. Set with translucent powder to prevent creasing. Now, eyes. Subtle definition is key. Use a neutral eyeshadow palette with soft browns, peaches, and champagne. Apply a transition shade in the crease. Add shimmer to the lid. You can also create a subtle smoky effect. Use brown eyeliner to define without harshness. Finish with mascara. Cheeks next. Soft glam calls for a healthy glow. Use cream blush in a peach or pink shade on the apples of your cheeks. Blend upwards toward temples. Use highlighter on cheekbones, nose bridge, and Cupid's bow for radiance. Finally, lips. Keep lips natural. Choose a lip color that complements your skin. Nude lipsticks, glosses, and tinted balms work well. Use lip liner for definition. Apply your chosen product. Soft glam is all about enhancing your beauty. It's about feeling confident. Experiment until you find what works for you. Practice makes perfect. That's it for today's video. I hope this helped. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.